This past weekend, we got to go to the Missouri Botanical Garden for the first time in the fall. After a super busy summer of gardening, harvesting, and some family illness, we finally got outside to enjoy the changing colors. I love how slow everything becomes in the fall. Every day there's something new to see, and our family tradition is to get maple bacon donuts from our favorite shop before visiting the botanical gardens, and then seeing what they have there, home gardening section to inspire our own home gardening. Back at home, we're enjoying the very last of our garden, where we only have daikon and greens left. Inside, we are enjoying all the growth of our houseplants from the summer, the baking of the weekly bread, and experimenting with marigold dyeing from the flowers of this year. It's so gratifying to come home to a studio where I can dye using flowers I grew and create with my own two hands. Everything is peaceful in the studio, and I'm deep in planning for Q1 for January, February, and March. For the winter season, I'm already looking forward to deep winter and being encompassed by wool and air and lanolin and heather colors rooted in. This winter, I am thinking about the kind of knits that get you out of bed in the morning. When it's really chilly and you're just wearing your pajamas, this is the thing you throw on that'll fit perfectly and wear in perfectly no matter how worn it is. And become your friend as you wear it more and more in your everyday life. It's not fussy, it's not fancy, it's just a friend. I believe in making time where possible within our means to make beauty. Small things that are beautiful and meaningful in different ways to each person. The impermanence of beauty may seem trivial, but I really believe that in these turbulent times, it's a radical act to make something beautiful and not to give up on beauty.